We're the birthplace of America. This is where innovation started here in this country.
Good morning, everyone.
They have the co-founder of Netflix. They have the makers behind Gritty. There's so many great speakers and opportunities, and I think there's something for everyone, and it's all over the city, so it is great.
She's from right here in the suburbs of Wayne, Pennsylvania. Please welcome Abby Jacobson.
I love BPHL Fest. Just now we just saw Abby from Broad City, and she's amazing. She's so down to earth, and really appreciated all of her feedback. And I was also here earlier today for Michael Rubin talking about criminal justice reform, as well as Dr. Bluford talking about his work at NASA. It's amazing.
When we are innovative as a city, we attract people to this city. And events like BPHL, we start collaborating, we start talking across business sectors and start finding solutions for the city.
And there's a lot happening across the city. So when we're talking about the challenges and the problems that we have, it's how do we look at those as opportunities to bridge resources together, or strategies or policies or just best practices to really try to solve some of those challenges.
Welcome her to Philadelphia today. Let's show her our Philly gets down. Tracy Ellis Ross.
Let's talk about innovation. To different people, it means different things. So what does innovation mean to you?
Having the courage to have a vision and then figure out how to make that happen.
And I feel like that's what it is with having an innovative ideas. There's more to it than you imagine.
You know, when I first said I was going to put chili on Cheeto, you know what they said? You're crazy. How dare you? You're going to ruin the brand. Today it's $1 billion a year. Not because I said yes. What if?